If you have a house in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, and you're looking to sell the house, but you don't want to have to deal with any hoops to jump through, you don't want to pay any commissions, you're looking for a clean transaction, a true cash buyer, and you want a fair deal, you want to work with a local company, you want to work with people who are going to get this done, a reputable company that has a proven track record, hundreds of reviews, testimonials, and most of all, you're just ready to kind of keep it easy, cash out of this thing for whatever reason. Maybe you got something going on. It could be a divorce situation, medical bills, something going on with your job. Could just be you want to cash out of this thing because you have another business venture that you want to take on. It could be you inherited the house. It could be vacant. Anything that's going on. We have seen absolutely every scenario you could imagine, and we've been doing it for over 14 years. So my name is Dave Perichin, and our company is Sell House Columbus. As I just mentioned, we've been around for over 14 years. Hundreds of reviews and testimonials because we're a strong home buyer. That's what we do. We buy houses, and the reason people like working with us is we're a true cash buyer, and that's convenient for you because if you're working with a buyer that's using a mortgage or using some kind of bank loan, what comes with that is a lot of hoops to jump through, and it's just a lot of intrusive stuff. You got to deal with these formal inspections where they're going to test every single outlet and every single light switch, every single, ceiling fan, open and close the windows and the doors. And what they do, and it's nothing against the buyer, and it's nothing against the inspector. They're just doing their job. It is what it is. I'm just telling you, the alternative to working with a true cash buyer that's going to buy the house as is and just get this thing done is working with a buyer with these formal inspections. They're going to compile basically everything wrong with the house. And that information can only be used against you in this negotiation, right? They're going to come to you. They're going to have a phone book full of repairs needed on the house. Even if the house is in good condition, these inspectors, that's their job. They're going to find stuff wrong with the house, and then more than likely, the lender involved with this traditional buyer is going to want a discount, right? They're going to want you to give them some credits, and the whole process is intrusive. The whole process is basically used against you. It takes a lot longer, and really it's just unnecessary. And then if you throw a realtor in the mix, and again, nothing against real estate agents. They do a great job, and we work with them a lot. But if there's a real estate agent in the mix with this traditional buyer, you're paying commissions on top of everything. It all comes off your bottom line. It's just not necessary when you have a strong local buyer, proven, reputable. That's exactly what we do. We're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. You don't got to clean anything. You don't got to fix anything. You don't got to haul anything away. We're going to be fair with you. We can evaluate the situation right over the phone. If you just want to send in pictures, we can even do that. If you need us to come out, we're happy to come out. We love meeting people. You can see all the videos on our website and YouTube channel. We meet people all the time, and we're going to treat you fair like a neighbor because that's exactly what we are. So if you have a house in Reynoldsburg, you're ready to get this thing sold and get it to the finish line, we work with an awesome title company. We pay for it all. There's no closing costs, nothing like that. Just a very clean, fast deal. Contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. There's no games or gimmicks and scripts here, and we're this call center, and we're going to outsource your call to somebody who's not even in Ohio, not even in the United States or something like that. We are local. We are proud to be in Central Ohio, be the #1 home buyer in Central Ohio. We're going to take care of you. I'll be the one to take your call. In fact, I get that all the time. People, the first thing they say to me is, "Are you the guy from the videos?" It's music to my ears. I say, that is me. So please let me know how you found us, but more than likely it's going to be, from a Google search or from YouTube or finding our website, and we get a ton of referrals as well. So if you have a house in Reynoldsburg, you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.